Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages and what's going on. So what are the messages for Cancer? High Priestess, King of Swords, Nine of Wands, Three of Wands and Six of Swords and Ace of Cups. The Lovers. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. There is love between you and your person, Gemini, and the Lovers. There is no... I think this card is not... Two of Swords and the Lovers. I think one person may be at some crossroads in this connection. It could be you or your person. Yeah, but there is love between both of you. But let's see what is. So let's see your reading. Cancer, recent past, the High Priestess, King of Swords and Nine of Wands. Maybe you guarded up. You're listening to higher self in recent past. You're listening to inner voice and trusting your intuition. You are very honest in this connection and you always speak truth. You are very straightforward in nature. Maybe you cut them off. Maybe you are giving clarity to your person. For some you already gave. Yeah, there is harsh and straightforward communication and situation between you and your person in recent past and you are guarded up. So present, Three of Wands, Six of Swords and Ace of Cups. I think you turn your back from your person. Six of Swords, you decided to move on from your person because there is no equal give and take. Maybe your person is non-committal. It could be anything. But you decided to move on and you turn your back from your person. But you are waiting for your person to come back. Maybe this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states because Three of Wands. But yeah, Ace of Cups, there is love coming towards you. It could be a new person or past person, but love is coming. And for some, you investing energy on yourself, you are doing self-love. And in future, Two of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles and Six of Cups. Yeah, there is reconciliation. I think your person may be approaching to offer equal give and take and they want reconciliation with you because Six of Cups with Six of Pentacles. And you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other and Two of Pentacles. But you are at some crossroads. Yeah, this is you. The Lovers card with Two of Swords. Yeah, now they're coming back to offer again Six of Pentacles and they want reconciliation, but you are still juggling between head over heart because you know maybe your person is a manipulator, that type of energy. That's why you are juggling. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, the Sun. Maybe for some, the children's also involved in this connection. Yeah, your person is thinking about you very positively. So let's see your person current feelings. I think you are the decision maker here. Yeah, they are thinking about you a lot. Hanged Woman, maybe your person undergoing some spiritual awakening also. Princess of Wands, one person is younger than the other person in this connection and as your person have love for you because Ace of Cups. They do have love for you. And Ace of Swords, truth coming out, communication, clarity. They want to give clarity, and communication and clarity is coming, what I'm getting here. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Cancer, your person near future actions. Again, 3 of Wands, waiting. 6 of Swords. Same. Yeah, commitment under the deck. Maybe they want to fix the things between both of you, because 6 of Swords with Hierophant, definitely they want to commit to you. And Princess of Swords, they may be spying on your social media. They keep tabs on you. They're waiting for the right time to approach you, what I'm getting here, because 3 of Wands, waiting game, and again long distance relationship. They want to fix the things between both of you, Cancer, and they want to really offer commitment to this connection because they do have love for you. Ace of Cups is here, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Two cards I'm not. Yeah, 4 of Wands. Yeah, they want this happiness with you, this celebration with you. You both could be twin flames also. And the Moon and 8 of Cups, separation. Maybe your person is walked away from you. Now they're feeling regret. Or it could be you. One person is walked away from this connection. There is separation, 8 of Cups. I think it's you walked away, according to me. But energy could be vice versa. Yeah, the Moon. There are still some illusions, some disturbances between both of you. Yeah, that's why they want to fix the things between both of you, and they want this happiness with you. Cancer. But you are not talking to them. 4 of Swords energy. You are doing meditation and undergoing some healing, but thinking about them. You are concentrating on yourself. You want to achieve financial abundance and financial stability, and you will be like this, Cancer. You are looking so attractive because you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially, and you are achieving this. Wow. But it's up to you. Decision is in your hands. They're coming back. You are the decision maker here. Yeah, the mutual card is Ace of Swords. Yeah, I think your person is waiting for, I think they want to invest in this connection and waiting. Maybe they will, for some, your person is already approached and waiting for your result, for your decision. Yeah, Ace of Swords. There will be new beginnings for some communication and clarity is coming for some in this relationship. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Cancer. Temperance, you are in super control, you are super balanced, you are very patient also. And the World, this could be long distance. Judgment, you are going to make some decision because you are the decision maker here. And 5 of Pentacles, yeah, there is separation. Maybe in past your person is not treating you well. Maybe they are treating you as an option. That's why you are juggling. That's why you are not in rush to take decision this time. That's why you are working on yourself. You are working on your finances and abundance. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Seven of Cups, your person may be fantasizing about you a lot. Yeah, they're stuck on you. They want second chance. Justice, Libra. And Knight of Swords, they're rushing towards you to communicate with you. Yeah, some communication is coming in your way. Yeah, maybe they're waiting for the right time. When the time will arrive, definitely they will rush towards you to make decision. Maybe they're waiting for you for your message, but you are working on yourself. Then they will move towards you, definitely, because they are coming back to fix the things between both of you. They want second chance, Libra. They're stuck on you and fantasizing about you a lot. For some of you, maybe your person have options also. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. The answers you need are coming. Cancer, so this is the message from universe, especially when full moon in Gemini. The answers you need are coming. So if you want any answers regarding this relationship or whatever in your life, those are coming. Okay. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.